We started Accelerate because we felt that there was a lot of noise in the e-commerce world.
I came here today to learn more about what's happening with Amazon, what's happening with e-commerce, specifically from people who are actually working on this day to day.
We need to have an education conference built for people that want to be high-performing sellers.
You really can't talk about e-commerce without talking about Amazon. Amazon was responsible for the majority of growth in Q4 of 2016.
It's continued education. You gotta stay on top of the trend.
This is what we've tried, this is what works.
I hit that aha moment.
Just to build a listing is not enough. You need to be a lot smarter than everyone else out there because Amazon added 500,000 sellers just this year alone.
Right away, it was just boom, 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 this is what we can use. We're definitely going to take advantage of that.
It's nice meeting new people and hearing everybody's opinions.
When you have a bunch of people buying your product at one time, that's going to really rank you a lot higher on Amazon.
I would definitely recommend this event. I like that it's run by people who are actually doing this work and it's people helping each other.